Certainly. Here are 10 tips to help you memorize a lesson effectively. Pay attention during class, actively listen and engage in the lesson. Concentrate on the teacher's explanations, take notes, and participate in discussions. The more engaged you are, the easier it will be to remember the information later. Organize your notes, review your notes after class and organize them in a clear and logical manner. Use headings, subheadings, bullet points, and diagrams to make the information easier to comprehend and remember. Use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are memory techniques that help you associate new information with something you already know. For example, you can create acronyms, rhymes, or visual imagery to remember specific concepts or lists. Break it down, divide the lesson into smaller, manageable chunks. Focus on understanding and memorizing one section at a time before moving on to the next. Breaking it down will prevent overwhelm and make the information more digestible. Repeat and summarize. After studying a section, repeat the information out loud in your own words or write a summary of what you've learned. This helps reinforce your understanding and retention of the material. Create visual aids. Visual aids such as mind maps, diagrams, and charts can be powerful memory tools. Convert the lesson content into visual representations that capture the relationships between different ideas or concepts. Teach someone else. One of the most effective ways to solidify your knowledge is to teach it to someone else. Find a study partner or family member and explain the lesson to them. Teaching requires you to recall and articulate the information, reinforcing your own understanding. Use spaced repetition. Instead of cramming all the information in one study session, spread out your study sessions over time. Review the material at regular intervals, gradually increasing the time between each review. This method, known as spaced repetition, improves long-term retention. Engage in active learning. Passive reading or listening won't help you retain information as effectively as active learning. Actively engage with the material by asking questions, seeking clarification, and applying the concepts to real-life situations. Get enough rest and practice self-care. A well-rested mind performs better when it comes to memory and retention. Prioritize sleep, eat nutritious meals, exercise regularly, and take breaks during study sessions. Taking care of your overall well-being will enhance your ability to memorize and recall information. Remember, everyone has their own preferred learning style, so experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Combine these tips with consistency and dedication, and you'll improve your ability to memorize lessons effectively.